Understanding Idioms. Cough up a lung, explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, cough up a lung. This might sound a bit strange, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversation. At first glance, cough up a lung seems like a bizarre and somewhat alarming expression. However, it's important to understand that this is an idiomatic expression and shouldn't be taken literally. In English, when someone says they're coughing up a lung, they mean they are coughing very hard or excessively. It's often used humorously or hyperbolically to describe a situation where someone is coughing a lot, perhaps due to illness or inhaling something irritating. The origin of cough up a lung isn't precisely documented, but it's a great example of hyperbolic language used in English. Hyperbole involves exaggeration for emphasis or effect. In this case, the impossibility of literally coughing up a lung highlights the extremity of the cough the speaker is experiencing. Now let's see how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. Imagine you're talking to a friend who has a cold and is coughing a lot. You might say, "You sound like you're about to cough up a lung. Maybe you should see a doctor." Remember, this phrase is often used informally and is more common in spoken English rather than formal writing. There are other expressions in English that also use exaggeration for effect. For example, "I'm so hungry I could eat a horse," or "I laughed my head off." These, like cough up a lung, are not to be taken literally but help convey the speaker's strong feelings or experiences. And that's a wrap on cough up a lung. This idiom, like many in English, adds color and humor to our language. We hope this video has been enlightening and fun for you. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. See you in the next video, and remember, learning English is a journey full of interesting phrases and expressions. Happy learning!